guys, I did a lot yesterday. Pretty much what I said I was gonna do. Trustworthy marker. I got the front sealed up. I got this window sealed up, so that means I got that wall in right there. Alright, man. Got the whole wall up and the cabinets in. The front mostly rebuilt. Gotta rebuild that. I gotta rebuild this. Yeah, pretty much got all the cabinets in. I gotta put these boards down, nail them down. Cause I still got the wires. This one I forgot to fit the boards in through this way before I put the shelves in. So obviously they won't slide in there, but got my wiring all wired back up. I don't know if you can see it. Probably can't, but there's wires in here. Got them all wired back into the wall. Got my vent up for my cooking. The windows slide open and close, nice. Actually forgot to close that one. Yeah, I still gotta get the back window in and fix the whole back wall. Gotta get the shower done and all. Can't get the shower floor until I get the strap for the poop tank. Just strap up through the floor, run my towel lights. Finish cutting off these drain lines, cutting them back. These ones, because I'm not gonna need them. Well, I'm gonna need this one. I'm gonna cut this one. I'm gonna cap this off right here. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna cap this one off, and I'm gonna cap this one off back here under here so you can't see it. And this one is not getting capped off because obviously I'm keeping that for the toilet. And this is getting capped off. And then this I'm gonna have to build. I might build a little shelf here right next to the toilet, or something. I might do something. I don't know, to really block that. But if not, whatever. It ain't gonna hurt. Eventually, I'm gonna get some wood floor thrown in here. Got the closet still needs to be built. Honestly, I'm just gonna fiberglass it, glue the fiberglass up when the time comes. I'll friggin' throw some nice wall up there. Kind of short on money right now, so I've been taking my time. Yeah, got the fiberglass sheet right here. Look good, guys. But yeah, not too shabby for a first timer. No fucking carpentry skills. Gotta put this side up right here, so I can yeah. Heck, I might even put it back a little far, so I have a little night shelf right here I can put stuff on. Who knows? Nah, I don't know. Obviously, I'm gonna get my curtains up here eventually. It's coming out really good though, guys. I gotta throw some caulking on this outside window, man. So I'm gonna get my my caulk on if I can find it in this mess. On my quad OSI. A handy dandy paint scraper from Harbor Freight. This thing for them work. Here's my buddy Scotty, the SRT, to help me out that one day. But yeah, see how I was looking. Look at that. It all dabbed out. Ooh. We'll cut that out. Get some quad OSI around that bitch. So it's nice and sealed. I'm gonna clean that up too with my finger too. Alright, let's do it. Maybe I'll put the ladder on. Let's check that out. Alright guys, just got the side latch on. Put a cable TV hookup. I gotta lock it when I get the cable. It's scooped around there, so I can stick my wires through. I might eventually get rid of this and install a friggin'. I might install fucking a friggin' some type of outlet to where I can just plug in directly. Alright guys, I feel like a real jerk. I feel like a real jerk because I've been getting a lot of progress done. Get a lot of progress done, but I haven't been showing it. Got the ladder on. Bad boy's strong. Put this little light on. Gotta wire it into these wires, obviously. I'm gonna clean everything up eventually. I still gotta get the caps for this to cap this off and to cap off these. So I'm keeping the sink out of the shower. I'm keeping the sink out of the bathroom because I want the bathroom to be bigger. My towel lights look like shit because I lost the seal, so I had to goop shit all around it. The seal part. I'm going LED eventually. I just threw these on there to get cruising. Lights plate holder, other tail light. Got this on Turnabond tape because when I fit this stripping over, the gap was the slightest too big, so I filled the gap in with some of that quad OSI. Then I put a strip of 4-inch friggin' Turnabond tape all the way up there, right to there. Like, it ain't pretty, but it really ain't that bad looking. Maybe the next one I'll run under the strip and cut out around it, but honestly, this doesn't bother me. So I'll just leave it like that. I'm gonna do it to the other side. I still haven't got nothing really done to this front. I got the cabinets in, obviously. All of them are in there. Really haven't done nothing to the back except for cut out the holes for the tail lights down there. Same for that side. I ain't gonna put the shower in yet until I get my tank strapped up in the bottom and get everything handled from under there. I'm starting to build this right here. This is the frame for the bed. Here's the bed right here. I'm starting to square it out around the electrical box. And I'm just squaring it out to set that on there perfect. Then I'm gonna square it in, put some support beams right here, put one door in it right in front of the water pump, just so I can access that. And if I need to get under it, it comes up and down. But yeah, looks like I can get this built today. So I can put my chair back in and actually sit down. Let's do it. Trying to fit this piece right here down to here. I'm just trying to get a nice tight wedge so it's structurally strong. Now I got my level. I'm checking right here to see if it's level, which it isn't. So I'm just going to take the tiniest little bit of hair off this again. Out here on the table saw. Take a little hair off because I don't want to overdo it. I don't mind running back and forth. I could measure, but I feel like every time I measure it, I don't want to. I'd rather be slightly too big than too small and have to cut than cut it too short. All right. So yeah, pretty much looking pretty good. All right, guys. I'm using a lot of these L brackets as well as this one I'm about to put right here because obviously there's only so much you can do when you're framing these with these little beams. You split the wood a lot. Obviously I split the wood a little bit, but I gotta sink it back in tough. And I got everything strong. I'm gonna put a cross beam across there to support it and all, and beams in the middle right here. Maybe one right here to the wall, to the one that I'm gonna cross over. But yeah, I'm just gonna put these things on there. Boom. You know, nothing too crazy. It ain't gonna be seen anyway, cause I'll put a little piece of trim or something. It ain't gonna be seen. If someone really complains, dude, they can F off. But pretty much, I got this right here. I'm gonna give the camera to my girl and go get the bed to show you how it sits. Here's the wooder, man. Thanks, Pop. There you go.
Thanks.
Get a video of me on bringing it in, babe, and fitting it up.
Okay.
Looking pretty perfect. Obviously, I'll measure. I'll put the bottom cushion in the couch, so give me where to bolt this up into the framing. For now, I just got to support it in case I want my fat dad to sleep on it one day.
Hey, I'm his dad. I actually have nothing to do with it. I just think I ought to be in pictures.
All right, all right. I got to reinforce this bad boy better, and then I can put the couch in. Well, water tank, then couch.
Oh, wait a minute. Tall ladies, I'm single. Tall ladies, I'm single.
Alright. Got a comedian with us?
Yeah,
Alright.
that needs some food time.
way you shake it, I can't believe it. I ain't never seen a ass like that. The way you move it, you make my pee-pee go doing, doing, doing.